Caution with me. There you go. Now I said I was done with him. I ain't popped out of my stuff yet. Earl Lewis.
So with that being said, man, y'all already know it's your boy King Chrissy back again with another lit video, man. And today we got y'all car show vlog. So y'all already know what we had to do, man. We had to bring them old schools out. We got boat cutlasses out. We got Demon out, man. So you know we brought that pressure out. Today we are in Memphis, Tennessee at one of our guys' car shows that he's been hosting, man, for quite a while now. It's at a different location. So you know, we had to come out, man, with the gang. We can't come out by ourselves. We got a couple of members with us, but you know, we're gonna hop right into this video. We're in a line. There's a bunch of cars everywhere. I don't know, man. Look what I got with me right here.
Let him do all the talking for my video too. You wanna see the other point of view? Come to my channel.
Go tune into Anthony D. Hunt, man.
Our platform.
Make sure y'all go subscribe to this channel. We got BCK Bro behind us in the 71 Cutlass, and we got Box Chevy King and Demon, man. So we were riding with the AC on, but when we got closer, you know, we had to let the windows down. Feel that good weather outside. Hopefully we're in the right line.
Look like we finna go shopping. Look how
Really
we
can
finna
go
turn around.
this line.
Listen to it.
Hey, somebody got this stuff towed here. She thick over there. Oh, we Jeep body gang. We're gonna swerve on them. We might just swerve on them. Oh, that's an old school right there. I ain't gonna catch you.
We done cut everybody out.
I know there's a bunch of copyright. What she say? Fine. Thank
Damn. Ooh, don't hit the car, don't hit the car.
Hey, y'all see it, man. You know, we ain't gotta say too much, you know.
Yeah, show up and do it.
Yeah, we just, you know, we in Memphis. What can you expect? I don't even think we had to pay to get it. They definitely got a lot of Stolos right here. I ain't gonna catch you.
Okay. Yeah, how much Stolos, you know what I'm saying? Look at this Maserati right here on the rim.
I look at the Daytona right there. Let me try to zoom in for y'all, man.
I know we in. Jump, certified jump. Y'all know I'm coming 6'2", something soon. I said I wasn't gonna pop out until I had something.
6'2", boys.
You know I'm coming out 6'2" whenever I hop out. Can't hop out nothing regular. You know what I'm saying? We have a throwback for y'all boys when I pop out.
Yeah, we really gonna have to. Hopefully there's another car show coming out. Especially when I get my car out the paint shop, man.
You know we showing out. Yeah.
I probably won't be bringing it to Memphis.
I'll come slide my in Memphis. I don't care.
I'll just ride with Ed, man.
You know we gonna act the fool. It is what it is.
For sure.
And where we go. Got the fins out. No, ain't gonna show nobody tag out here.
Ooh, that color's clean right there.
Y'all know me, I'm Mr. Ain't got the window on them, but hey, I can't. They got me with this duct tape window over here.
Y'all might catch
it come down, but
y'all might get it.
But got this tape on here. It ain't gonna come down like that. On baby. You know, Mr. Ain't got to record. I go get them angles. We're gonna see it.
Yeah, man. Oh, there's that boy Sean Shane right here. Okay. Clean 1975 Bird.
Beating the trunk out coming through. Yeah, that boy Louis.
He beating the trunk off that Malibu.
We gotta pop out old school sometime soon.
Yeah, you know that old school on the way.
Gotta pop out.
Hey, this junk deep. I ain't gonna catch you. They do got police packed as a mug though, gang.
Hey, I'm alright with it. slide. Somebody might do some slide. You know, police out here. It is what it is. That's how we do.
What's up with it?
Hey, Louis.
Oh, here go the scat pack side.
Yeah.
Oh, that junk nasty right here, gang.
This the younger generation right here. Yeah.
That junk nasty. Ooh, that Hellcat nasty. Orange and green, you can't go wrong with that.
Can't. And we see 12 out here looking beautiful.
That junk nasty right there. That's that one we had saw not too long ago.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask him where he wants to park at.
Pop out with that donk thing. So Burbo, BCK Burbo, who shot you?
This junk nasty right here. They got the same color plate.
Pull it up. Ooh, that junk right there.
We ain't even have to. Never mind. I'm gonna tell y'all right back on game. We finna go and get situated.
Yeah. We got content out here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we got Damon out here. On the Rose Gold. Got the Cutlass, drop top, Cutlass Supreme, and a bit quarter top, sport. This is what I was riding in today. Ride clean. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm on the grind. Look at them. Rose Gold, deep 26. Chris finna hide my audio. You finna have to not use none of it.
Why?
Cause I'm over here filming my video and your video at the same time. That's that banana cream, banana pudding right there. That's a nice T8, look at it. Ooh, they came in with them green things. That's the AMG right there. Floating. You ain't need this same well.
Like the $1 million man, everybody got a price.
Got prices. I know he got a price. Ooh, our black Stingray. That's up. It's just nice. You know it look good on camera.
Alright, we got a celebrity here, Bob Chevy King and the
Pontiac GC.
bag. Oh no, that's y'all stop. No, that's cash. We finna cash out. We finna buy something.
Bob Chevy King, yeah.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Man. I can't wait to have my own stuff pop out with it.
Look at that little boy.
I didn't get the memo. We were supposed to wear forces today.
I'm baby.
Get the memo.
They didn't tell nobody.
Nobody.
They didn't want to tell nobody. They didn't want to tell nobody to put on force. They got the black, the white.
2 blacks with a white. They ain't tell
We got
nobody.
forces. Why is it? Yeah.
Hey, we kind of did Air Forces. You did the Air Max, I did the Air Jordan.
I'm
So
baby.
we close. We all airs.
Bro. Look at that Mustang on him. All black. Look at that horse. No, we like them. We like them. No, he was in that car, cuz. Get it? on that one, yeah. That color just do something different in person. It's cool on camera, but in person, it just glows.
I don't do it justice.
Yeah.
Chris getting a little angry.
Like, look at me on camera. Look at him, he's smiling. Louis put him on camera.
We do this for the youth, man.
He act like he finna turn up in that gym.
Like that, right?
That's color you don't see every day. Boys out here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't let him do it. I thought he was gonna get active on.
There you go, eh?
Where's that John AMG? better start doing patrol. It's just still spinning. Look at it. Here, nah, running.
Oh, they're trying to catch one. They're trying to block it.
C7.
Hey, gang, that's Memphis, bro. That Memphis is lit.
They don't know how that.
That knew that box shady right there.
That's yours.
Oh, you're funny, huh, mister?
On purpose. Don't talk to him. On purpose. I might well start sliding these more words out here, cuz.
My type of sauce right here, though.
Hey, where's yours at?
Paint shop.
So they do that.
Oh, yeah?
You feel me? They already know.
He's a Mopar maniac.
Hey, oh, beat the trunk off.
Spin it.
You know you can spin it, man.
Everybody doing it now. You can start touching. Oh, shit. I would have put up in that on some floaters.
Not the floaters. What's up with it? What up, gang?
Who burned rubber over there?
You done get a little black jam. Spin it.
Oh, what the hell?
Spin it.
Oh, shit, you got You got the beware of dog sticker.
He did, you saw that? He said not today.
Not today. I told him to spin it. He said not today. Maybe tomorrow. Ain't nothing happening over there. Okay. There goes some trucks in there. They were for sale, ain't it? I think I seen it on the marketplace. Spin it. That way I can get half off tomorrow. I got the video you doing it. Got you $7 grand. They been saying, man. thank you.
Slow.
See, bring the truck out from the outside. What'd you say?
He was funking it.
My channel's not monetized. I can still do tell you all the cuss words I want.
Go back and
Hey, look at the headrest on the Jeep right here.
I like that. I saw that somebody did that.
Ski mask. Ski mask.
Where's it at?
On the
headrest.
the Jeep.
Okay. Walk right there in that corner.
Walk over there by that big ass truck.
This was, if you move it, it goes off?
Was it mounting again?
My car.
It is, isn't it?
What y'all want me to color? 15? You like it.
What you want for?
15.
15.
Yeah.
Down take 10.
All stock, AC running and
Down take
everything.
10 right now.
We had that offer already.
Boy,
We turned it
17.
down.
You had that alpha already. How many of these you got?
We got the whole fleet right here. We got a 71
Hey,
right
put
there.
my number in your phone and call me so I can. I'm gonna hit you up.
How
901
much you say? What it
456
cost?
3222.
Yeah, I'll clean it. Fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I got you.
I ain't gonna 15. Your call. They say you got some more. probably gonna have to get sped through. I swear to God. It's gonna start raining right now.
Everybody running.
Yeah, we got here just in time.
Got our footage, man. Rainy.
Yup.
Says this the only way out.
Let's hope not. That Daytona tough with the yellow and black still heavy on the hood. You got that jam rocking.
What the police doing up here, man?
And he done jump back and let him back in front of him. Look at that Cadillac. Escalade. That's on top. You got it. Benz in front of us. Ooh, shit.
We need to put some new wipers on
Baby. That AMG.
it. I feel bad for the ones that just paid to get in, man.
Yeah. Dark clouds came in. Everybody gotta go. You gotta go home, but you gotta get out of here.
You just smack it, whatever that is.
Is that fin? Nah, ain't that fin. They got them hoods down rolling. Fox body drop top, baby. Jamming through this journey. What's riding like that?
The Infinity, man.
The van truck.
Yeah.
You know them already beating. We still got Louis Mikes.
Yeah.
I know mine was still on. Get it all black junk.
All black, yeah.
Ultima on the white, what are them, RT?
Something like that. They got the light emblem in the top.
Camaro up on them junks. Flip flop paint with the brown top. Yeah. You know, we should recognition that well. Nigga, you know you's not finna make that. I mean,
Look at this Audi, ain't buy this.
Would I buy it? Hey, it's a tough color though. But I don't think that one for me. That pink lemonade.
He's beating that trunk.
Already. Oh, that 5.0 thing. Black drop top. I don't really like the drop tops like that, but it be alright.
There goes on your boy Chris Gann right there. We caught him in 4K. We thought he was on the inside. We gonna pull up on him right now.
Damn, nigga, go. Where you going, cuz? Somebody have to back up. Blowing it, but that might hit me.
Damn. Ooh, damn. Cuz, what is you doing, bro?
Really fin on them things.
Bro, what is you doing? Yeah, I ain't gonna catch you. They be acting too crazy out here, man.
There's something different in the air out here in Memphis, man. I don't know what they be on.
They doing something.
But you see Louis back there with their art. That Tierra grill.
They got some clean stuff over here. Look at that short bed truck. Yeah, y'all can see that. Who I am, who I be, who I be.
Look at it. Rock light. That truck. Can't Chris that talking about. smile.
Window
Drop
wipers
top.
working like a new school. Oh no, you know why? They got somebody got parked right there.
That thing right there.
Come on, bro. Hurry up, bro.
Okay.
Let's go see.
Great man.
Yeah.
Yeah, great man. Hopefully you hit that front on that back. Old school road, man. Look at it. Yeah, they did that jump. It look like. They got the other jump blocked out.
This is the only way in?
They got that jump, but anybody going that way? Nah, look at that one. That one over there.
Oh, right here too.
Yeah. You wanna go buy in public storage? You know, look like it's lined over there. Yeah, them just clean over here.
They got that other Cadillac.
Yup, look at that one they said looked like Gazelle. Not Gazelle, what that one was? Kilo. Yeah. Hey, it do look like it though.
Hey, this junk so nasty, gang. I ain't gonna care to you.
Both on tough. They act like they know where they going. We're gonna do. We can't make noises y'all make though. Louis can. Him when they ain't crazy. That's AutoZone.
What did they come over here for, man? that box over there clean, gang. They still got people pulling up.
In the rain, everybody still pulling up.
But yeah, gang, man. So we're leaving the car show, and gang, you'll never believe who we ran into. Y'all see that Hellcat right there, man? Them are the old wheels I had. So y'all see it, gang. He got that joint looking good. Oh, I'm going. Fuck this.
It's at the gas station.
Everybody over there.
Mustang doing Mustang thing.
How you gonna get in the back?
That's a two-seater?
You gotta go in the back.